Soumya or Navin, please share me yours.
Yes, sir. Sure.
And please open MS. Guys, anyone please tell me what is called company? General, what is the meaning of company? Guys, here, company is nothing but association of persons who form together to do business. Okay, it might be, I mean, association of individuals or whatever it might be. Their intention to do business, and they are not going to close the business within a short period. If they want to close within a short period, then we call partnership. Now, here, when it comes to company, their intention is to not to close in the short term. So it is nothing but it is a going concern. Now, guys, anyone please tell me what is holding company? Guys, what is holding company?
Parent company, sir. Holding is a parent company.
And
Hello.
yeah, what you told it was correct. And anything else?
Who has more than 49% of share? That is called holding company.
Not 49.
51% of share.
51.
51% of share.
And anything else?
And holding company will have a control with other companies.
And there is one case. Guys, here, when an organization holds majority of shares, then we simply call holding company. Okay. Now, please open MS Word application. Discuss this.
Sir, voice clarity లేదు సార్.
Okay, okay. Just holding company అనే టైటిల్ రాయండి, హెడింగ్ పెట్టండి holding company. Guys, here holding company means the company which holds majority of shares or more than 51% of shares. ఇప్పుడు మనకి టూ సినారియోస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఏదైతే కంపెనీ 51% షేర్ కంటే ఎక్కువ హోల్డ్ చేస్తే దాన్ని మనం హోల్డింగ్ కంపెనీ అంటాం. ఇంకోటి ఏంటిది, ఏ కంపెనీ అయితే మెజారిటీ ఆఫ్ షేర్స్ హోల్డ్ చేస్తుందో దాన్ని కూడా మనం హోల్డింగ్ కంపెనీ అని అంటాము. నౌ విల్ డిస్కస్ రిగార్డింగ్ ఫస్ట్ సినారియో, మోర్ దెన్ 51% ఆఫ్ షేర్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మనం మెజారిటీ ఆఫ్ షేర్స్ అదే 51% షేర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు హోల్డింగ్ కంపెనీ అని మనం ఎలా చెప్పగలమో ఇప్పుడు మనం అది చూద్దాము. ఓకే, టేక్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దట్ A, B and C are companies. Friend, example, A, B, C are three companies. A is willing to go. Okay, A is willing to issue its share to public. A is willing to issue its share to the public. Okay, here suppose think that guys, A is willing to issue its share to the public. Now, before going to issue its share, How much percentage of share every company holds? Anyone please tell me. ఏ అనేది దాని దగ్గర ఉన్న షేర్స్ ని బయట అమ్మదలుచుకుంది. అది బయట అమ్మదలుచుకుందంటే అమ్మడానికి వెళ్ళక ముందు ఆ కంపెనీ దగ్గర ఉన్న షేర్స్ ఎంత పర్సంటేజ్ ఉంటుంది? మొత్తము 100% కదా కదమ్మా. ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు పార్టిసిపేట్ విత్.
Sir, I can't hear you properly.
Okay, guys, actually today I'm facing some network issue. Okay, now suppose think that guys, A is willing to issue a share to the public. While it goes to issue its share, how much percentage it holds? A company holds. Anyone please tell me.
100%.
100%. Please write down. A will have 100% of shares. A is equal to 100%. 100%. A is equal to 100%. Now here in this case, A is willing to issue shares, means A is willing to sell its share to the public. Suppose A holds just 30%, means in 100% it just holding 30%, means remaining how much percentage it was selling to the public? 17.
70.
Okay, that write down. A is equal to 100 minus 30. A is equal to 100% minus 30% is equal to 70%. 70%. In bracket write down issuing to public. Issuing to public. Okay, now when it comes to the remaining, how much balance was there, guys?
30%.
How much?
30%.
Actually, A just wants to issue shares. So in the share, 70% has been sold. The balance it was hold just 30%. Now in 70%, suppose in 70%, B purchases 55%. Okay, then how much will be the balance? There will be only percentage. There next equation, B is equal to 70% minus 55%. Okay, don't write down. There is equal to. Next, C is equal to 15%. Okay, here A just having 30%, B holding 55, and C holding 15%. Okay, which organization was holding majority of shares, guys?
B.
Company B.
Company B. Okay, company B, from which organization it purchased shares?
From A.
A.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what the decision takes B, it will affect to A or not?
Yes, it will.
Yes, it will affect. The reason now for A company, the boss was B. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The boss we use in layman terminology, so just leave it. Now, here when it comes to accounting terminology, B is called holding company, and A is called subsidiary company. Okay, write down B is equal to, next point, write down note B is called holding company and C is called subsidiary company. Next scenario. That is the next scenario called majority of shares. Now, take same example. A having 100 percentage, in 100 percentage, if it is 70 percentage, then it will have only 30 percentage. Okay, please write down scenario 2. Scenario 2, majority of shares. Okay, A is having 100 percentage. In 100, it will sell 70 percentage. Okay, is equal to 30 percentage. In bracket, please write down 30%. It owns by A organization. Owns by A. Now, suppose think that guys, B purchase in 70 percentage. B is equal to 70 minus 40. And C is equal to 30 percentage. Next line. Don't write down is equal to there. Next line. C is equal to 30 percentage. Here you can see A originally holds 100 percentage and it went to public issue. It sold 70 percentage of share to the public. Now here A holds just 30 percentage of shares and the remaining was shares issued to public. When issued to public, B and C came forward and purchased entire 70 percentage. In 70 percentage, B purchased 40 percentage and C purchased 30 percentage. Now in the second scenario, you guys can see majority of shares, the company which holds to the particular company we call holding company. Here in between B and C, which company holds majority of shares, guys?
Company B.
Company B. So to the company B, note there, write down B is called holding company and A is called subsidiary company. Is it clear? Is it clear regarding first and second scenario, guys, to everyone?
So in B also have 30% share, no? Because 70% minus 40%.
Okay, the thing was B purchased 40 percentage of share. Okay, there write down, sir. B in bracket or in the note after B in bracket, please write down 40 percentage. A in bracket write down 30 percentage and owner. 40 percentage owned by B organization. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Any doubt? Right. Now, here What the holding company takes a decision, it will affect to subsidiary company. Is it clear to everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, my question was why?
It's holding highest shares rate.
Okay, the holding highest share, it was good. But why it will affect to the subsidiary companies?
It has highest shares, so they will have highest authority also.
Decision making power will be in the hands of the holding company. Okay, guys, so good knowing. Next, put heading that enterprise structure. Put heading that enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. Now write down company. Guys, here company means organizational group. Simply we can call holding or parent company. Okay, and there is one more thing. When it comes to enterprise structure, it is company code. Company code is nothing but subsidiary company. To the holding company, we can call organizational group. And when it comes to subsidiary company, we can call it as one of the unit in the organizational group. Is it clear?
Yes,
Company
sir.
is not company is nothing but organizational group. Company code means one of the unit in the organizational group. Is it clear to everyone regarding what is company and what is company code?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
here. By using this company and company code, we prepare P&L account and balance sheet. Why we prepare P&L account and balance sheet means we prepare these reports for external reporting purpose. This external reporting actually it will applies to stakeholders. Here, stakeholders are the person by the action of our organization. The action of our organization who are affecting directly and indirectly to the particular persons we call stakeholders. Okay, now we'll prepare company's financial statements as well as company codes financial statements and will present these reports to stakeholders. You can see here while we discuss the scenarios of holding and subsidiary companies. Subsidiary company holds shareholders. What are the company takes a decision? What are the actions it will make? What kind of business it takes? It was answerable to, I mean, board of directors or promoters are answerable to shareholders. Okay, as well as when it comes, it will apply same concept to holding and subsidiary company also, guys. Now, come here. There, please write down company is equal to organizational group. Next line. We prepare in company. We prepare company. We prepare P&L account and balance sheet. P&L account and balance sheet for external reporting purpose. In bracket, please write down stakeholders. Guys, here stakeholders includes your shareholders, debtors, creditors, bankers, investors, employees, customers. Okay, everybody, please keep in mind. Shareholders is different from stakeholder. Okay. Next concept. Next, please write down company code. Next, write down company code. Company code is equal to one of the unit. Next, write down next line. It is one of the unit. It is one of the unit in the organizational group. It is one of the unit in the organizational group. It is it is one of the unit in the organizational group. We prepare P&L account and balance sheet. We prepare P&L account and balance sheet for external reporting purpose. In bracket, please write down stakeholders. Okay, guys. Next, keep subheading that example. AB's here. Just take example. And take ABC or the organizations. ABC or the organizations. Just write down here. We discussed ABC companies only, no? That just take out C, AB or the organizations. B or the organizations. B is called organizational group. In bracket, please write down company. Next, A is called one of the unit in the organization. One of the unit in the organizational group. One of the unit in the organizational group. Bracket. Okay. Take one more example. Keep subheading one more time example. Tata Sons. And just click enter. There down, write down. TCS, Tata Motors, Titan, Big Basket, TCS, Big Basket, Tata Motors, Tanishq, Taj Hotels, Taj Hotels. Okay. Guys, here you can see Tata Sons is company and this all the rest subsidiary companies or company codes. Okay. Here Tata Sons, please write down is equal to company is equal to organizational group is equal to organizational group. Down, write down TCS, Big Basket, Tata Motors, Tanishq, Taj Hotels. There, please write down is equal to company code is equal to one of the unit in the organizational group. Is equal to one of the unit in the organizational group. 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 Okay, guys, one of the units is, one of the units, the organizational group is equal to subsidiary company. There write down for the company is equal to holding company or parent company. Okay. Now my question, guys, to everyone: can a single company hold 1,000 company codes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Tata
Now
is
then,
holding like 140 companies, company codes.
now my question: can a single company code hold 1,000 companies?
No, sir, only one company.
Is rule clear to everyone or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Next, guys. Next, put heading that business area. Next, put heading that business area. Please use bold characteristics. Business area. Guys, here, just wait now. Guys, here, business area can define on the base of product of what it was producing, or on the base of where the company's plant was located. Okay, now come here. You can see here for a single company called, the single company called Taj Hotel. Taj Hotel. You can see it had it has hotels in Bangalore, Vijayawada, Hyderabad, okay, Delhi, Mumbai. You can see now when it comes to in this situation, Taj Hotels, you can define the business area on the basis of location where the business was located. On the basis of geographical wise, we are defining the business area when it comes to the example of Taj Hotel. Now, take other company, Tata Motors. Suppose think that Tata Motors having plant A, one in Noida, plant B in Mumbai, and plant C, Vijayawada, and plant D in Karnataka, and plant E in uh, Bangalore. So you can see here on the base of different localities, okay, on the base of different locations, we are defining the business area. So just think that, take example for other, in the other scenario, the same scenario. Tata Motors, it manufactures light motor vehicle, heavy motor vehicle, EV vehicles, okay, CNG vehicles. Then you can see here around four kind of product it was producing. So on the base of what it was manufacturing, right now we are defining. When it comes to Tata Motors, right now we defined on the base of geographical as well as on the base of product what it was producing. It is in the case of manufacturing tech organization, but when it comes to service, you can define mostly on the base of geographical wise. Okay, now just keep note that note in most of the cases, in most of the cases, okay, after business area, just write down. We write note or letter. After business area, just click enter. Yeah, we can define business area. We can define business area on the base of. We can define business area on the base of activity or location. on the base of activity or geographical wise. In next, continue to the note. In most of the cases, in case of manufacturing organization, in case of manufacturing organization, we can define business area on the base of can define in case of manufacturing organization, we can define business area on the base of product, product, what it was producing, and 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 where it was located. In bracket, please write down geographical. Located. In bracket, please write down geographical wise. But when it, okay, next keep note, second note. In case of service organizations, note, in case of service organizations, you can define business area on the base of geographical wise or activity wise. Okay, guys, now my question. Why we prepare reports of company and company code? Why we prepare reports of company and company code?
To see the profit and loss.
Okay, for external reporting purpose. But when it comes to business area, we use this for internal reporting purpose. In when it comes to implementation phase, in F5, we'll use business area if profit center is not used in controlling area. But some organization will use both business area as well as profit center. Okay, we use business area for internal reporting purpose, guys. Please listen carefully. Now, for a single company, if it was, you can see there is an organization called Taj Hotels. It having business areas in around, you can see around the world, it was having around some thousands of branches or their hotels. So we can define each hotel as one each business area. So for a single company code, we can have 1,000 business area. Suppose for a single company code, we have 1,000 business area. For a company, for a Tata group, for Tata Sun, we can have around lakhs of business areas. No? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
in order to get the report at a company level, we prepare consolidated business area. Okay, next put heading that consolidated business area. We prepare consolidated business area. We prepare consolidated business area for internal reporting purpose. Okay, next put heading that guys, business functional area. Next put heading guys, business functional area. Guys here, anyone please tell me, suppose think that Tata Motors, okay, we have, in order to manufacture a product, what are the different departments we have in the company? In order to manufacture a product, okay, till input, okay, from input to output, what are the different departments we have to convert the raw material to finished product, to reach the product, finished product to consumer? What are the different different departments we have?
Manufacturing, sales and distribution, advertisement,
Okay,
marketing.
so guys, we have finance, material management, plant maintenance, okay, human resource management, customer relationship management, and all those things. Now, here, what are the different departments we have? Okay, related to all the expenses, we'll define in business functional area. Okay, please write down. We use business functional area. We use business functional area to define expenses of different departments in an organization. Next. Next, guys. Every
Sir,
organ
expenses of different.
expenses of different departments in an organization. Guys, usually in what ways you will sell the product, guys? Usually in what way you guys will sell the product? Suppose you are the entrepreneur. In sales and distribution department, you know wants to sell the product. Now, on what basis you will sell the product?
By advertisements.
Guys, you guys will sell on the base of cash as well as on the base of credit. If you sell the product on cash, if there will be any chances of bad debts? Suppose think that guys, the cost of the product is 100 rupees. The customer will approach you and he will pay 100 rupees. Is there any chances of bad debts here?
No, sir.
But scenario, if to the particular organization and he will purchase the worth of goods 100 rupees on credit base and he sells and he tells us that he will pay after after 2 months. If he'll pay as per terms and condition, there will be no problem. But if he fails to pay, then it will be lost to us or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no? Is it clear to everyone, guys? If a product we sell on credit basis, if they pay us within time limit, there will be no problem. If they fail to pay within the terms and conditions, then we'll send some notices. If we fail to respond the notices, okay, we may feel that we'll get some loss, no? We'll move legally, we'll receive the cash, but we can't say we'll receive the full amount. So, in order to avoid all those things, while you sell the product on credit basis. In SAP, we put limit. Okay, that is the purpose we prepare credit control area. Next, put heading that credit control area. We define credit control area to put limit on the customers. To put limit on the customers while we sell the product. While we sell the product on credit basis. Okay, just wait, guys. Credit basis, just wait, guys. Our finished product will be handed over to the sales and distribution department or not. Every organization's finished product, it will be handed over to the sales and distribution department. The role of the sales and distribution department is to sell the product. Now, here in our case, the product will be sold by the sales and distribution department. And when they sell the product, the customer will pay cash and cash receivables. No? This cash and cash receivables will be transferred to the financial accounting department. It means what are the different configurations we do regarding customers. It will be affected to sales and distribution module and financial accounting module. Is it clear regarding this or not to everyone?
Clear, sir.
Everyone, guys, is it clear? Soumya,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sangeeta, is it clear, madam?
Yes, sir.
This next, Naveen, please continue. This configuration will be affected to these configurations will be affected to FI and finance and sales and distribution module. Finance and sales and distribution module. Next. Is it clear regarding the theory? Is it clear regarding the theory or not? To everyone, guys. If anyone have any doubt, please raise your queries.
Yes, sir.
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear.
Clear.
Next, put heading that configurational enterprise structure configurational steps. Enterprise structure configurational steps.
Sir, same in ECC server also, sir.
Yeah, it will be like same, but there will be some changes. We'll show you, no need to worry. T codes are same. Okay, please write down configurational steps of enterprise structure. Configurational steps of enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. First point, define company. Define company. T code we use OX15. OX15. Next, define company code. T code we use OX02. Next, assign company to company code. Assign company to company code OX16. Next, define business area OX03. Define consolidated business area OCC1. Next, assign business area to consolidated business area. Assign business area to consolidated business area. T code we use OBB6. Next, define credit control area. Sorry, next step it was define
Business functional.
define business functional area. T code FM underscore function. Next, define credit control area. T code we use OB45. Navin, please share the screen. Hello.
Yes, sir, I'm sharing.
Okay. I think it was my network problem. Define credit control area OB45. Assign credit control area to company code OB38. Guys, we can create single credit control area to single company, as well as we can create single credit control area to entire organization. Okay, please listen this carefully. Guys, tomorrow we'll see the configuration steps. Usually we can make configuration by using path as well as by using transaction codes. Right now what I told, these are the called 4-digit letters, or this what I told in the enterprise structure, these are nothing but T code, transactional codes. Okay, tomorrow we can see all the configuration steps. Regarding today's session, if anyone had any doubts, please raise your queries, guys.
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay then, can I wind up the session right now?
So
Yes, sir.
now 9 o'clock, there's no class, no?
We have 9:30.
Class
Actually,
is there today?
no.
No, sir. Because one session is pending, I think. Interest calculation and all that stuff.
Yeah.
And also MM and SDN controlling. FIM and FASD.
I'll tell you. Okay, guys.
Today there's no class, no?
Today there is no.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Have a nice day to all. Please off the recording, Navin.